Hey, nail queens! St. Patrick's Day is among us. Green season is here, even mint season. So if you're not into greens, I got some mints in this video. So I love covering all of the holidays and my favorite dip powders for these very specific holidays. So if you guys are into St. Patrick's Day and you want to learn about my favorite St. Patrick's Day styled or themed dip powders, keep on watching. First up on the green table is this color from Revel Nail called Loyal. It is a gorgeous green with hollow glitters. It's mostly green, but the shifts to hollow, it just gives you that rainbow effect. Perfect for St. Patrick's Day. But if you're wanting something a little bit darker, maybe even on the olive spectrum, I recommend this color from Revel as well. It's also hollow. It's called Moss, and it's giving me crocodile olivey vibes. I really love it. You don't have to go with the bright greens just to enjoy St. Patrick's Day. This color from Sparkle & Co. was released about a year ago around this time. It's called I'll Get You My Pretty, and it is a minty green with the most gorgeous pinkish flakes in them. Like I said, you don't have to go with the bright colors for St. Patrick's Day. It's more on the mint spectrum in my opinion. Here it looks a little brighter than what I see in real life. If you haven't tried out Gigi's Nail Co.'s Marble Dips, what are you waiting for? This color is called Salazar from her Harry Potter release, and it's absolutely stunning and perfect and totally different. So it's like this white milk bathy base with green and black and I think a little bit of gold glitter in it. It's absolutely stunning and unique. I don't know why I associate rainbows with St. Patrick's Day, but if you want a rainbow style dip powder for your St. Patrick's Day manicure, check out Chaos in Color from Vivid Glam Co. It is an absolutely gorgeous shard-like glitter mixture, as you can see here, and you really can't go wrong with this one. It's stunning. It's time that I talk about some solid dip powders. Shake Your Shamrocks from ManiBoss Dip Powder is really fun. It brings you a full surprises. So it's a thermal changer from a bright to a medium green color. I wore it last year. It's really fun and I absolutely recommend this one. But if you're not into the brighter greens or you feel like it doesn't work well with your skin tone, check out this olivey color from ManiBoss as well. It's called I'm Mossy. It's really gorgeous. It has this olive green base to it with some gold-like shimmer in it. It's a stunner. Back to the rainbow dip powders. I wore this Rainbow Connection dip powder about 2 years ago around this time. That's how I associate rainbows with St. Patrick's Day. I really love this one. It's another shard mixture, and this one is darker in tones, but it's super duper easy to work with. So I highly recommend mixing this one in or wearing it as a one color mani. I can't go on in this video without recommending a good gold dip powder. As good as gold is like butter. I know you're looking at glitter, but trust me, if you haven't tried All Powdered Up's dip powders, this is your time. Not only is this the perfect gold to use for St. Patrick's Day, but you can use it all year round. This gorgeous milky color is called Irish I May, Irish I Might from All Powdered Up. It was her St. Patrick's Day duo exclusives this year, and it's the one on the right. I absolutely love something a little bit different, and I love the milky white background to this. Lucky Leprechaun released last year from All Powdered Up, and this one I tell you is just like the As Good as Gold dip powder that I showed you earlier. It has the same consistency and texture and it really applies like butter. She has a lot of dip powders with this type of texture to it, so if you can find them, I highly recommend purchasing them. Peas on Earth was released last year during the Christmas holiday time, and this one, you got to be prepared for foil flakes to get everywhere, but it is absolutely beautiful when it's applied. Just look at this green. There's a glitter and flakes in it. It's a little bit messy, but worth the time and energy. Chemical X Green from Zooty Nails is another favorite of mine, but it's also perfect for St. Patrick's Day. I love that it's green and white, so you're getting a little bit of like the springy colors. It's not too dark. It's absolutely perfect, so I don't want to recommend all greens, but here's another green. Now this is the only green gold mixture that I have in here that has Shamrocks in it, and I absolutely recommend this one from Soul Dips. It's absolutely adorable, and it's actually the glitter I used as the cover photo to this video. I'm switching things up with this color. It's called Evergreen Flakes. It's also by Soul Dips. And I wanted to include this because it's a dual purpose one. You can apply it over itself or over a darker color. So here it is swatched over black on the right hand side, and it's giving you that green look to it. Emerald Isle is the perfect, absolute perfect St. Patrick's Day green. I really love this tone of green. I think Soul Dips really hit the nail on the head with this green in particular. It's a solid, there's no tricks to it, it's just plain old solid, absolutely perfect medium tone green. Now, if you're not into the green everywhere, I recommend getting a color such as Cricket or the other milky white milk bath colors I recommended earlier. You get your hints of your green and your gold in there, but you also get mostly like a white base, so it's not too loud and too shouty. It's a good, fine mixture of everything St. Patrick's Day is about. I'm going to finish this video off with two more color changers. This one is called Into the Jade by Dipalicious Nails, and it is a solid color changer. So it changes from this darker green to almost a translucent light green. But the next color changer I'm going to show you, while the concept is the same, it is not a solid. This is called I'm Knackered, and it is by Cali Nail Dips, and it is basically the same color essentially. I can't confirm that, but this one is a shimmer. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I love these two color changers. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Feel free to leave in the comment box below your favorite St. Patrick's Day style dip powders. It can be themed or it can be non-themed. Shoot, it can be even a non-green dip powder. If it's a white that glows green, leave that in the comments box below. If it's a glow, if it's a rainbow, all the things. Everything goes. If you want to wear it for St. Patrick's Day, I want to know about it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you and